Cobra.
Woo!
You ready, big dog?
Let's do it.
They stapled this bitch.
Stapled it too? Rip it apart, rip it apart. Ooh, look at those springs, bro. Oh, and they're black. They're not yellow.
Good.
Fuck yeah, dude.
But they gotta be put together. It's alright, though. Knock it out real quick. Lay all this shit out. You have a wheel out, bro? Fuck that.
Fully naked, man. God damn. Sexy style chill. Man. Red on black, new suspension. Damn.
Next, we tackle the oil pan.
New exhaust. Dumped. Back sway bar. Lowering kit, new suspension. Damn. She's looking beautiful.
You ready to drop it, CR6?
LED lights. Let's do it, let's drop it. Late night work, man. Late nights.
Even the dog's fucking tired.
Alright? Team no sleep right here, man. See that drop, see that drop. Man.
That's an aggressive ass stance.
And that's how it's gonna drop some more right now. It's just because the new struts. Shit, look at that drop, look at that drop. Can't stick the fist in there no more. Huh? She just need a badass wash right now. Should be all good. Set and ready.
It's hooked up right in front of the pump, behind the gas tank.
Turn it on out.
That's what it's supposed to be. Slipper back here. It's supposed to be. Well, we did our job, right?